creating discount coupons is a great strategy to reward our customers and increase our sales. That is why it is a good idea to use them often in our online stores. However, among so many coupons, we can get confused and have a hard time finding some of them. Sometimes we don't even remember the full name of our coupons, we only remember some words or letters. To help you with this, we will show you how to search for all coupons starting with a specific word or letter in seconds using the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. With this plugin, you can manage thousands of coupons in minutes, as it contains an advanced search tool and a bulk edit tool. You'll find a link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find a link to our written guide. Finding all the coupons by their initial letter or word is really simple. You just need to open the search tool and click the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Then select the title field. Now choose Start With. And enter the letter or word here. Finally, run the search to filter the coupons. Now all coupons beginning with the letter or word you have entered will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Now that you have found the coupons that you were looking for, let's export this information to a CSV file. To do this, open the Export tool. Then, select the columns you want to export. Choose the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. Here, you can see an example of how the CSV file looks like in Google Sheets. As you can see, using the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin is very easy and convenient, as you save a lot of time and avoid the frustration of not finding the coupons you were looking for. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.